Good day, everyone. For this video, we are going to discuss the scope of organic agriculture. Before we start, let's have this first. Think about the food you eat every day. What if we could grow it in a way that's healthier for us and the environment? That's exactly what organic agriculture is all about. Before diving into its different areas, let's first understand what it really means. So, in definition, organic agriculture is a farming system that relies on ecological processes, biodiversity, and natural cycles, adapted to local conditions rather than synthetic inputs like chemical fertilizer and pesticides. It aims to sustain soil health, ecosystems, and people by emphasizing organic fertilizers, crop diversity, and environmentally friendly farming methods. We all know about that since mauna na ang mas common nga definition sa organic agriculture nga balik-balik na nato na dunggan. But mind you guys, organic agriculture is more than just avoiding synthetic chemicals. It is a holistic approach to farming that works with nature rather than against it. So, it prioritizes soil health, promotes biodiversity, and maintains ecological balance. Farmers use natural methods like composting, crop rotation, and biological pest control to grow food that is safe and nutritious. So, beyond producing healthier food, organic agriculture also ensures the well-being of farmers, consumers, and the planet for future generations. So, karon nga natay clear idea of what organic agriculture is, let's talk about its scope and the different areas it covers. So, for organic agriculture scope, we have crop production, animal production, dili ko magkat, fertilizer production, special products, bee production, processed products, so, and more. Organic agriculture isn't just a trend, it's a commitment to producing food in a way that's good for people and the planet. By that wraps up my part of the report. The following scopes of organic agriculture is to be discussed by my group mates. Thank you for listening.
Organic crop production involves growing plants without synthetic pesticide, herbicide, or genetically modified organism or GMO. It focuses on maintaining soil health, biodiversity, and ecological balance using natural fertilizer, crops rotation, and biological pest control methods. Organic crop production, a method of growing crops that relies on natural process and avoid the uses of the synthetic chemicals like pesticide, fertilizer, and genetically modified organisms, instead utilizing practices like crop rotation, composting, and biological pest control to maintain soil health and produce food while minimizing the environmental impact. Organic animals production follows ethical and sustainable livestock management practices. It prohibits the use of antibiotics, synthetic hormones, and genetically modified feeds. Animals must be raised in a natural environment with assisted pasture, organic feed, and humane treatment. Animals production refers to the practices of the raising animals of the farm for the purpose of producing food products like meat, milk, egg, as well as other material like wool or leather by managing their breeding, feeding, housing, and overall care to maximize the yields of this product. Fertilizer production, creating natural soil abdomen using plants, animals, or mineral sources. Compost, decompose organic matter, leaves, food, crops. Manure, animals' waste. Cow, horse, chicken, bone meal, ground animals' bones. Microorganisms that enhance nutrients uptake by plants. improve soil fertility, and add nutrients and organic matter, support beneficial microorganisms in the soil, provide essential nutrients, and improve soil structure, reduce reliance and synthetic fertilizer, and promote sustainable.
Types of organic fertilizer. So, first is compost. A mixture of decomposed plant and animal waste that improve soil texture and fertility. So, compost is a natural soil amendment created by decomposing organic materials like anang mga dahon or tayo sa mga hayop. So, second is vermicast. So, worm compost that inherits the soil which beneficial microorganisms. So, kaning vermicast, under siya ka ng mga tayo sa mga earthworm or wati. So, example ani niya is kanang humus. Third is green manure. Cover crops like legumes that are plowed back into the soil to enhance the nitrogen level. So, green manure is a agricultural practices that involve growing specific plant and incorporated them into the soil while they are still green. So, green manure crops like legume can fix atmospheric nitrogen and inherit the soil with essential nutrients. So, fourth is biofertilizer. So, microbial inoculant such as nitrogen-fixing bacteria and mycorrhizal fungi which help the plant grow. So ang kana daw biofertilizer is natural fertilizer ka naga-contain og living organisms which iyang gina-inherit ang nutrients quality sa yuta. Example ani is kanang nitrogen-fixing example sa nitrogen-fixing bacteria is kanang rhizobium. So, ano siya? Rhizobium. So, special products. These categories include organic products beyond traditional crops and livestock such as herbal medicine, essential oil, organic texture, and other cosmetic. Those products are made from organically grown plants and materials ensure that they are free from synthetic chemicals and GMO. So these special products are certified by organic certification bodies to ensure that they meet the standard for organic farming. So, bee production. Organic beekeeping is focused on raising bee without exposure to synthetic chemical, antibiotics, and pesticides. Bee collect nectar from organic farm and their honey, wax, and other products must be proceed naturally. Beekeeping plays a crucial role in pollination, biodiversity, and sustainable farming. So, organic beekeeping is emphasize creating a natural habitat for bees. So, dapat daw magbuhat ka og kanang habitat sa bee nga kuan organic bees. Dapat daw kanang mga area nga free from synthetic pesticides or chemical fertilizer. And then provide there a natural feed source such a natural nectar from organic plants. So dapat daw kung magkuan kag mga feeds sila dapat at dito daw nimo magkuan kag kanang mga organic plant tapos anang itong mga flowers nga dili ginagamitan og mga pesticide or synthetic chemical.
K. Organic bee products. So, honey, beeswax, and propolis, and royal jelly. So, honey is free from synthetic residues. So, beeswax is used in candles, cosmetics, and food wraps. So, propolis and royal jelly is valued for medicinal properties. Next is we have processed products. So, processed product is organic. Processed products refers to the food and non-food items made from certified organic raw materials. These products follow strict organic certification standards, avoiding avoiding artificial preservatives, additives, and synthetic processing aids. For example, is include organic dairy, baked goods, and sauces and beverage. So next we have common organic processed food includes um, dairy products, baked goods and sauces and condiments. So dairy products is for example cheese, butter and yogurt. So baked goods is organic bread, cookies and pasta. Sauces and condiments is ketchup, soy sauce and vinegar. That's all.
Hello everyone, it's Gianna and this is my part of report. So there are the three scopes of organic agriculture included. The first one is organic aquaculture. Organic aquaculture is a holistic method for farming fish and other marine species in line with organic principle. So the second one is organic seed production includes growing of seed crops by a set of guidelines that prohibit the use of synthetic products, chemicals. And the last one is organic beverages and wine production. The last one is organic beverages and wine production. It's a sustainable farming method focused on the health and soil, ecosystems, and people by using ecological processes, biodiversity, and cycles adapted and local conditions rather than relying on inputs with adverse effect. Organic agriculture. So what is organic agriculture? Organic agriculture is a sustainable farming approach that benefits environment, human health, and biodiversity. It includes crop and animal production. Organic fertilizer, special products of beekeeping, and organic processed foods. Thank you.